This is a Rubik's Cube, and there are many different ways to solve it. But which one is the fastest? To find this out, I'm going to be comparing 3 different YouTubers' methods and see which one of them is the fastest. Starting off with this guy called Easiest Solve, who has a method of multiple steps and is the slowest of them all. But we're about to put that to the test. Okay, so we solve this in 3, 2, 1, go. And my time for this was 2 minutes and 4 seconds. But there's definitely room to beat that. Next up is this guy called J Perm, who has a method of solving the Rubik's Cube in 10 minutes. But I'm about to solve it much faster than that. Okay, so we begin solving this cube in 3, 2, 1, go. This time I got 1 minute and 27 seconds, which was much faster from the previous method. But we're about to see if this next method can beat that. This YouTuber called Cubehead, who has a method of solving the Rubik's Cube in 30 seconds, and this might be the fastest of them all. And we begin solving this one in 3, 2, 1. This one is close to 41 seconds, which therefore makes it the fastest of the three. But anyways, that's all for this video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.